what I would say to my future self if I was like 20 years old now. And my first big conclusion that I would say to myself is that you should learn AI now. It's no time to sleep on that. AI is taking over the world, or at least taking over all the entry-level jobs, all the research jobs, easy tasks that maybe a new person that coming to the job would do. So I think you need to start learning AI, because then it will be a bigger opportunity for you in the job market in the future. If you are like 20 right now and doing this easy task, look into AI and see if they could replace you. If they can, start to embrace it and learn more about AI to keep you relevant in the job market. And also, if you don't learn AI now, someone that has learned AI will replace you very soon. And another big thing I would say to myself, try to save it in the index fund or something and build up some capital. And because in the future yourself, in like my 40s, it will be really good to have a big cash box to take from when you buy a house or a car or something. And also you need to learn about finance early. I think the generation right now is learning way faster than I did because of the social media and all the finance accounts and all the stock market, GameStop stuff. So it's really good, but don't take too much risks. Try to save up some money so you have some money when you want to buy a house later on, because I think the house prices will not go down. It just go up, and the salaries is not increasing in the same level. So try to save up some money early in your life. Another big thing I think is exercise regularly, because when you're like me, 40, 45, you don't want to start exercising and realize that now when an injury or your heart is bad or you cannot run and so on. I think when you get injured sometimes, you will feel that, oh, I want to run, and I will miss that. So try to stay fit. I have tried to during my years, but I'm ups and downs as well. But now I think it's really good to keep healthy all your life. Have a healthy heart and so on. So that's a big tip. Bye. Now we could take a dip in the ocean.